nanonood lang ako dyan. Pinanood ko siya nung sumali siya dito.
Wala.
And nanalo siya noon.
Last
year.
Last year ba yun?
Wala ka
Basta, hindi
dito pinakausap kinukwento.
Wala ka sige, naibigay
Good
natin sa
evening,
kanya.
ma'am. Alala mo yung pangalan niya. Yung totoong pangalan niya. Ako kasi, hindi pinapanood ko yung mga video niya sa YouTube, yung mga Matt Centeno, yung mga question and answer portion niya. Matt Centeno, tignan mo na lang. Alec Bovic. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening and thank you for this privilege, of course.
Thank you
Nice
po.
to be back here after 3 years, I guess.
Opo. Okay. So, ma'am, according to your motto here is stated as, give your best in everything you do. Can you please give some information or explain your motto?
At this point of time that we always underestimate whatever work, job we had, doing your best in everything you do is a positive motivator with each and every one. Because no matter you are a barangay tanod, magbubula, anything which magpipedicab, tricycle driver, or the highest form of job, what is important in everything that you do, when you exert an effort, and you love, the compassion is there for your work. There's nothing to do but you go up and race without complaining everything dahil ang pinakamahalagang bagay dito sa mundo ay dapat hinahalin tulad mo kung ano ang sarili mo sa trabaho mo. Kakaunting bagay or small things na dapat inilalagay natin ang ating inirahiya, pagmamahal sa bawat trabaho nating inaako dahil yun ang pinakamahalaga kailanman ang hindi mo kukwestiyonin kung ano ang trabaho mo, bagkus minamahal mo nang walang reklamo dahil balang araw hindi ka papalubog, bagkus aakyat ka papataas sa kahit anumang limit ng iyong pagtatrabaho. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Alec.